Well, it's another quiet session for many of the so-called Reddit investor favorite stocks, which is not always a great thing for those names. They thrive on a lot of excitement. Now, against this backdrop, we've seen AMC's share price and volume just sort of slowly go down, right? In the meantime, though, as this was happening, the shorts have climbed higher. Now we're talking about almost 19% of the float from less than 14%. The shorts are definitely reloading. Joining me now to discuss, host of Trey's Trades on YouTube, Trey Collins. Trey, what's going on with AMC this week? I mean, are you concerned the volume is drying up a little bit? It's pulling back a little bit. What do you think?
Well, Charles, first off, it's great to be back. I got to say, I respect you more than you probably know. AMC, right? What I'd call this period right now is volume exhaustion and consolidation, right? So the amount of liquidity and volume that was going into AMC in that short period of time, those couple of weeks, you essentially have to cool off from that. I mean, you receive between $2 and $4 billion of inflow on any given day. So this kind of fluff in the middle between what I would, consider the next rip to be is that base foundation. It's the consolidation that allows the next big move to happen. This is a technical trade. This is still very technical. I mean, it's given back about 38% from this $14 rip up to 77, which is healthy. So I'm absolutely fine with this consolidation period. It's boring, but it doesn't scare me in the least bit.
Is there a support point? I love charts. I love technical analysis. Is there a support point, though, that you wanted to hold and then turn around from?
Yes, Charles. So the whole, technical trade behind this is the higher low stair stepping effect, right? We're kind of in a pennant formation right now. And in that sort of pennant formation, you could argue that currently, that $50 to $52 zone, I always give a zone because you can't, time it down to a penny. I mean, it's an art, not a science, right? That zone to me is going to be critical because that's where you've seen, that next low just based on this overall trend of higher lows overall. Right. As long as it continues to stair step those higher lows, it's in very bullish territory.
Trey, what do you make of the shorts reloading? The short, you point this out on your Twitter feed. Looks like they're ready to go for another round here.
Charles, it's very interesting. I think the hardest thing to master in the stock market is emotions, right? And emotions are hard because even the top level guys, the suits, they have emotions too. So high frequency trading, algorithmic trading, computer trading is built off of a model of reading human psychology on the charts and making decisions, buys and sells based on that. Well, AMC and other heavily shorted stocks that the apes have gravitated towards, GameStop, AMC, these are not, bull and bear stocks. These are ape stocks. These are stocks that people are buying and holding because they're not satisfied with what the market is offering for this stock right now. And you can't read that with a computer. So these big firms and suits, I would imagine, are confused and are playing a little bit of a pride ego play right now, thinking that they can beat the apes. And I don't think that's the case.
All right. So and there's one big suit out there, Jeremy Grantham, huge billionaire, market historian. He's saying that this movement is, quote, the biggest U.S. fantasy trip of all time. We obviously know there's nothing like this has ever happened before, but what do you say to someone who says that? Like, right now it's detached from reality. You can't argue the fundamentals at this particular point. And the big suits that you're talking about, Trey, say at some point it's all going to slip away, even if it's just from attrition.
Charles, I think you put it very well. It's a little bit out of touch. They're not quite grasping what the concept is here. So true, technically speaking, there are, pieces of this that are going to slow down. Volume exhaustion, you get consolidation periods. Stocks don't just go up forever, right? But the entire thing with AMC is not purely about the price. It's about what it stands for, right? People are making this trade to make money, yes, but also to speak up against naked short selling, failure to deliver, dark pool and off-exchange transactions, right? That's not going away. So unless the problems get solved, the apes are not going to be quiet. That's just as simple as it gets.
Yeah. Yeah, and that's why I salute the apes, because you know what? You're taking a bold stand. They say you can't fight City Hall. Try fighting Wall Street hedge funds. It's a million times harder, and you guys are trying. Trey, thank you very much. Appreciate it.
Thank you, Charles. Always a pleasure.